Hello everyone, my name is Adam. I'm the owner of Vintique Motors here in Livonia, Michigan. And today I want to do a little walk around and a driving video on this 89 GMC Sierra C3500 single cab dually over my left shoulder. So this is originally a 454 truck. It is now sporting a 502 GM crate motor. It's got 87,500 ballpark original miles on the chassis. So let's go take a look at it. This is originally Olympic white truck. It's been resprayed the original color. It's a good paint job. It's not a great paint job, but it's pretty presentable. Originally had a blue interior. It's been swapped over to black. It's got those great 16-inch American Racing flat black wheels. Some meaty Falcon tires on it. Blacked out LED roof lights. Let's go take a look at the interior. Nice 502 badge calling out what you got under the hood. Again, this is originally a 454 truck with a blue interior. Changed over to black, and it's a little easier to see in the photos on Bring a Trailer, but these are nice Pro Car seats. Used to be a bench seat truck, now it's got buckets. Dakota digital gauges. Again, the gauge cluster, no mileage was added to the truck when the gauge cluster was swapped. So original true mileage that displays on the odometer is exact mileage on the chassis and the truck. The engine has about 1,500 miles on it. It's all broken in. So that's all set. Speaking of, let's go take a look at it. And here you can see we're running a Holley Sniper EFI system on it. So that's your readout. There it is. So this is a GM Performance crate motor. GM rates this engine at 508 horsepower and 580 pound-feet of torque. It's running a new AC system. Everything's brand new. Ice cold. R134A. JBA headers on it. Again, it's running a Holley Sniper EFI system. Made to look like a carb. Optima red top battery. It's really tidy. Gauge, or the entire dashboard was swapped over. The door panels were swapped over to black. It's the original panels and dash, just have been color changed from royal blue or navy blue to black. It's got a nice little center console, custom built. It's a really cool truck, really nice truck. Let's go for a rip. You see all your digital gauges all light up. 87,480 miles on it. It's got a great sound to it, this motor. We're gonna walk outside, take a listen. Does have a MagnaFlow muffler, but the exhaust is dumped just short of the rear axle. All right, let's go for a drive. So this is a 3-speed automatic, the standard heavy-duty transmission that came with this truck. While we're waiting for a couple cars, show you everything works, all the gauges, the radio works, equalizer works. Pretty cool stuff. beautiful Michigan day today. Cloudless, 45-ish degrees. Dry roads, figure we'll go for a nice little rip. So I'm offering this on Bring a Trailer right now. I think there's 3 days left. It's no reserve, high bid takes it. So this is just to give you a demonstration of how it runs and rides. I got something sliding behind my seat there. We'll get some speed here. That's about 80 miles an hour. Not bad for a single cab dually pickup truck. Brakes great, no problems. We're on a domed road here. It's got brand new front suspension, A-arms, bushings, tie rods, ball joints, shocks. It's got the OE Bilstein shocks that would have came on this truck new, front and rear. Fire extinguisher that's sliding around on me back there. So originally with the 454, this truck probably was getting, if you're lucky, 12 miles per gallon on the highway. You'll probably still get about the same with this motor, but just a heck of a lot more power. That doesn't get old. Steering's great too. You know, with that new suspension, everything's been dialed in and aligned. It's a little more noisy than it would be stock due to that shortened exhaust, but lets you know you got a lot of power at your right foot. Okay, back at Vintique HQ. So there you go. I hope this video helps. Truck's great, rides and runs great. You know, basically it's turnkey, essentially, waiting for the next new owner here. As I said, it's no reserve on Bring a Trailer. So if you're not a member of BAT, very easy to sign up, free to sign up, and we can help you out with a shipping quote if you need a shipping quote. I ship cars all over the country. I got almost 200 sales on Bring a Trailer, so no problem shipping this big truck anywhere you need. It's likely going to have to go on an open trailer. Actually, it will. There's no way we're going to be able to fit this in an enclosed unit, but you know, we can get it over to you to your driveway or your garage, wherever you need it, with no problem. So if you need a quote, reach out through the contact seller button. Happy to provide you with one. If you have any questions, hit the contact seller button on Bring a Trailer, and we can take care of whatever questions you might have. Good luck, everyone.